Okay, we're back again. A little more progress. Still the brickwork's completed. Walk over here. And here's the front door. Nice little oval window. And of course, the green cap is a fire sprinkler. And of course, there'll be a light there. And come in, construction door. Let me close this door. A lot of light switches. So this is the first bedroom, and sorry about the light, there's no electricity in here yet. Looks like it's all floated and taped throughout the closet. Even have a sprinkler in the closet. And then this is kind of like a Jack and Jill. The cabinets in here for the vanity, and of course the tub. And you can go out here, and everything has been floated and taped. This is kind of a storage room. Sprinkler, light fixture will be up there. And of course the elevator. It looks like it's all pretty much floated and taped through here. Come out into the garage. 3-car garage. Nothing's really changed in here. But when we go up to the second floor, that's where you'll notice the difference. Okay, you can see that's living room and the dining room, everything's floated and taped. And here's the progress since the last time we were here. Of course, that's the powder room. I got the vanity cabinet for the vanity ready. And come in here. This right here will be the pantry. This will be the refrigerator. That'll be the microwave, double oven, and cabinets, wash machine. That'll be the sink area. That'll be the wine cooler. That'll be the stove. And check this out. Look at that. Let me back up just a little bit. Look at all those cabinets. So, of course, there's cabinets here on the island. When you look out, you'll see the dining room and the living room. And I'm looking at all the sheetrock. It's all floated and taped. Now, one thing I should mention, the kitchen is white, and we picked out, it's called Poppy for the granite. It's kind of a white with some dark spots in it. So I think that'll look good. So from the second floor to the third floor, and we come up the steps. To the right is the bedroom, the master. Whole third floor is master. And you can see, still have scaffolding outside the building. Of course, light fixtures, air conditioner vent, all the red is the sprinklers. In case we get a fire, let's hope not. And this is new since the last time we were out. Got one sink here. Got a large soaking tub. And shower has 2 heads. And then the other sink will be here. And now we're back into the closet. Nothing's been done other than the floating and taping. So standing at the closet, you'll be looking at the bedroom. Come around the corner, look down. That's the stairs to the 4th floor. Got a little storage area here. It has a light in it and sprinkler, of course. And then washer, dryer, unfinished cabinet. And then over here will be a sink. And of course this is all in the washroom. So looking from the laundry room back towards the bedroom, we have stairs here. This takes us up to the 4th floor. Not much up here other than all the walls are floated and taped. The utility room, use that for storage. Come down here. Of course, you have the elevator shaft. Okay, so here is the other bathroom. It's got a tub. They installed the cabinet for the vanity sink. And this is the 3rd bedroom, which will be Nina's YouTube studio. And it's all floated and taped. This will be a closet here for the game room, which we're going to use the game room as an office. Nina probably have her desk over here. Probably put a TV on this wall. Put some elliptical. We've got an elliptical machine and a bicycle. We'll put that there. And my desk will probably be here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really surprised at the cabinets we're in. So I'm going to shut it off here. I think I've caught everything. And stay tuned for the next video.